If you want to download and install Epic Games on a Windows PC, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get the Epic Games launcher installed quickly and correctly. I'll also show you a simple compatibility setting that can help prevent installation issues on Windows, especially if the installer needs extra permissions. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox, whichever you prefer. Once your browser is open, go directly to the official Epic Games download page. It's important to use the official site so you get the latest safe version of the launcher and avoid any third-party downloads. On the Epic Games page, look for the blue button that says Download Epic Games Launcher and click it. After that, wait a few seconds while the installer file downloads to your computer. The file is usually named something like EpicInstaller XXXXMSI. Depending on your internet speed, this may finish quickly or take a little longer, so just let the download complete fully before moving on. Once the file is downloaded, open your Windows Downloads folder and locate the installer. If you just downloaded it, you may also be able to find it from your browser's downloads list. When you see the EpicInstaller file, right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This is a helpful step because it gives the installer the permissions it may need to install properly on your Windows system. After selecting it, click OK to save the setting. Now double-click the EpicInstaller file to start the Epic Games Setup Wizard. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. The Setup Wizard will now open, and from here you can choose your installation path. If you want Epic Games installed in a specific folder or drive, select the location you prefer. If you're not sure, the default location is usually fine for most users. After confirming the install path, click Install and let the setup process begin. Windows will now copy the necessary files and complete the installation. This may take a few minutes, so be patient while everything finishes. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the Epic Games Launcher and sign in with your Epic account or create one if you don't already have one. From there, you'll be ready to browse games, install titles, and start using Epic Games on your PC. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Windows and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.